There are pains in this world that the average person cannot understand. They are invisible wounds, silent battles, and deep spiritual pressures that rest only on the shoulders of those God has called. If you have felt these 7 pains, you are not broken, lost, or weak. You are chosen, and these pains are the proof. The first pain is the weight of spiritual loneliness. Chosen ones can be surrounded by people and still feel alone, not because they are antisocial, but because their soul operates on a frequency most people cannot reach. They feel disconnected from conversations, environments, and even entire seasons of life. This loneliness is not abandonment, it is separation. God isolates you to purify your calling. The second pain is carrying a heart that feels too deeply. Chosen ones don't just feel their own emotions, they feel the emotions of others. They absorb pain that isn't theirs, sense sadness others hide, and carry burdens they never asked for. This tenderness is not a curse, it is a gift. God shapes their heart into a vessel of compassion because their purpose requires spiritual sensitivity. The third pain is the exhaustion of fighting battles no one sees. Chosen ones experience warfare in their mind, dreams, relationships, and spirit. Anxiety without reason, attacks without explanation, storms that rise out of nowhere. These battles happen because the enemy fears what you will become once you awaken fully. The intensity of your warfare is the measure of your destiny. The fourth pain is being misunderstood. People misjudge your intentions, question your decisions, or interpret your silence as arrogance. They don't see your heart. They only see your distance. But chosen ones are often misunderstood because their spirit sees things others are blind to. You are not meant to be understood by everyone, only by those who walk in the same spiritual depth. The fifth pain is the ache of not fitting in. Since childhood, chosen ones feel out of place in groups, in family, and society. They try to blend in, but their spirit refuses to shrink. They are too different, too aware, too awake. This is not rejection, it is distinction. God did not create you to fit into the world. He created you to transform it. The sixth pain is the burden of visions, dreams, and spiritual awakenings. Chosen ones sense shifts before they happen. They see warnings in their sleep, feel signs in their spirit, and receive insights they cannot explain with logic. This spiritual awareness can feel overwhelming, but it is divine training. God reveals things early to prepare you for what others cannot see coming. The seventh pain is carrying a purpose that feels heavier than your strength. You feel called to something greater, but don't know what it is. You feel destined for more, but don't know how to reach it. You feel a fire inside you that won't let you rest, settle, or walk away. This restlessness is not confusion. It is God's whisper reminding you that your life has meaning beyond the ordinary. These 7 pains are not punishments, they are confirmations. Spiritual signatures that mark the soul of someone chosen for a higher assignment. You were shaped through storms that were meant to break others. You survived nights that should have destroyed you. You grew in silence, healed without applause, and kept walking even when no one understood the weight you carried. But here is the truth most chosen ones forget. These pains are not permanent. They are part of your preparation. Every loneliness builds your discernment. Every battle strengthens your spirit. Every misunderstanding separates you from distractions. Every tear waters the soil where your purpose will grow. Your pain has meaning, your path has intention, and your calling is real. Another spiritual pain chosen ones carry is the weight of seeing the truth too clearly. While others are distracted by illusions, you notice patterns, intentions, and spiritual dangers long before anyone else. This clarity can feel like a burden because it disconnects you from the comfort of ignorance. You cannot pretend you don't see what your spirit already exposed. This ability is not a curse, it is divine eyesight. God reveals things to you early because your mission requires vision, not blindness. There is also the silent pain of outgrowing old versions of yourself. Chosen ones shed identities, beliefs, relationships, and environments faster than most people can understand. You evolve in cycles, leaving behind parts of yourself that once felt safe. This constant inner transformation can feel like grieving pieces of your own soul. But this pain exists because God refuses to let you remain small when He created you to carry something greater. Growth hurts, but stagnation destroys. You are not suffering because you are weak. You are suffering because you are being shaped for something only the chosen can carry. Motivation you need, where your awareness expands and your soul finds direction.